Cody and I just got coffee and some stuff to make breakfast this morning. We're coming out of Abash's. We got to Arizona. We watched the entire rest of the season 1 of Are You the One? And they won $1 million. Woo! And then, of course, we had to do some digging and see if they were still together. And, like, none of them were except for one couple. So, not to, like, ruin it for anyone who hasn't watched it. But if you do, then you'll know. My thing keeps coming off. Today is going to be a pretty busy day. I think I have to help my mama make some cocoa bombs. And then Brittany's having, like, an ugly sweater little get-together thing. So, yeah. I will come back to you guys then. My mama is making salted caramel cookies. And I'm going to make the gingerbread men and women. And then there's all kinds of other cookie stuff here. And stuff for hot cocoa bombs. Ooh, and no-bake cookie bites. Ooh, you got snickerdoodle ones, Mom? So right now, my mom and I are making cookies. She just finished ginger snaps, and I'm making the gingerbread men. No, not ginger snaps. What are they called? Salted caramel. Salted caramel. There you go. And so this one, I'm just doing 1 stick of butter. So it's going to be 1 egg, 1 stick of softened butter, and then a tablespoon of water. Then I'll show you guys what they're all looking like when that's done. Is done for the gingerbread men, so I'm gonna go ahead and just clean off the little mixer and take out the bowl. I'll show you guys that. Here's what it's looking like. Looking good. Now I'm gonna roll it out and make some gingerbread men. So it says to put it in a little bit of flour. We're gonna take a little rolling pin. I'm gonna throw a little bit of flour on it and then just roll out the dough. It's supposed to be about 1/4 of an inch thick. So I'm going to start with a little gingerbread man. And a gingerbread woman. Oh, look, Mama. A little gingerbread man. I just want to show my finished little gingerbreads. Those are cute. Here they are, guys. I'm going to pop those into the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes, and I'll show you guys what they look like when they're done. Alright, guys. So the gingerbread men and women are cooling, but as you can see, they just the women kind of just look like fat gingerbread men, but it's okay. So there's those. And then my mom did the salted caramel ones over here. And now, which ones are you making now, Mom? Snickerdoodle.
I'm making snickerdoodle, and in the oven I have chocolate hazelnut.
I'll show you guys those when they're done. And Ayla just wants to whine. Huh, whiny girl? Huh, whiny girl? Okay, I just want to show you guys really quick. Now I'm just making some oatmeal with milk chocolate and then some oatmeal with sea salt caramel. Just some regular cookies. So we already finished up some cookies in here and in here. Oh, here's my mom's cute little hot cocoa bar. It's not finished yet, but cute. And then over here we have the snickerdoodles, the oatmeal ones, and then the gingerbread men. And then over here, I'm going to bake this by itself and then cut it after because we tried cutting the cookies before and they just came out really, really fat. So I had to cut them after for them to actually make shapes. But it was really hard. So, and then here's these ones. These look so good. And these ones are going to be chocolate chip with salted caramel. And then these ones need Reese's peanut butter cups, right?
Yep.
Or whatever. Okay, hey guys, my mom and I finished cookies pretty late, so I had to like rush and get ready. I didn't even get to do my hair. These are like old curls that are kind of combed out that I just put it up in a half pony and I said let's do it. My sister's doing an ugly sweater Christmas dinner party thing. And here's my ugly sweater. It's actually Cody's from last year, but I figured I didn't really have time to make one or go get one, so here I am wearing myself very ugly, whatever, you get what I'm trying to say. Yeah, I actually tried to do something festive on the eyes. I'm doing red and green, but you can't really tell. I also tried to do red, but we didn't really have a red lipstick, so I borrowed this red from my mom, which is kind of more like a bright pinky red. So, but yeah, and then, oh, if you guys want to see the full fit, I'm literally just wearing leggings and some gym shoes, but we'll show you guys a little bit of what's going down at the party. And yeah, we're playing, you just handed her, we're playing Telestrations After Dark, darling. It's just me, Britt, and Sunshine, so there's not a lot. Yeah, so
the next day.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Ayla has to chew her toys on top of me. Like, they can't just be somewhere else, huh, baby girl? They're just always on top of me. Huh? Mama. Is this your monkey? Can I have it? Can I have the monkey? Is it my monkey? Hey, you're out. You're getting real close to my... Thank you. Thank you for stopping. Crazy girl. Crazy girl. Good morning, beautiful people. This is me this morning. I didn't take off my makeup well last night when I got home, but my parents' neighborhood had like a planned outage, so there was no electricity, so I couldn't turn on the light, so I just was like using my phone. And you know, when you have your flashlight on, it doesn't really help much. I woke up like a bit ago. I don't know, I woke up a few times today. Look at me. Look at me. Ayla, is this what's going on? I woke up a few times this morning and then I just was like, let me just lay in bed. Let me just relax. It's Sunday. I'm just going to chill out, you know? So that's what we're doing. I don't know what day it is. I have to look at my phone. I want to say, oh, 20th. It is the 20th because yesterday was the 19th. So it's day 20th, y'all. The 20th. I actually need to edit all of my videos because I have stuff filmed for like every day after the... When did I stop? I think I stopped the 15th, I think. So I need to get those up because we can't be slacking. Like, Christmas is around the corner and I need to get these things going. Yes? Are you done with your monkey? Can I have it? Can I have the monkey? No? Is this not mine? But yeah, so I need to get up, brush my teeth, take my allergy medicine because every time I come to Arizona, my allergies are just like, you hear that? It's nasty.
Oh, you nasty.
So I gotta do that, and let's see where today takes us. There's no real plans for today, but we shall see. Right, Ella? All right. All right, so Cody and I are about to make, we're baking again today, y'all. We're about to make either pecan shortbread, sorry, it's at my height, pecan shortbread or chocolate mint, but probably without the mint. We'll see. But heads of the chewy bar is pecan shortbread cookies. Tails of the chewy bar is chocolate mint, whatever. Go ahead.
Okay.
Pecan shortbread! We're gonna make pecan shortbread cookies.
Those are the ones I wanted.
As we watch Are You the One Season 2. Okay guys, so I am starting off with a cup of flour, a 4th teaspoon of salt. We're gonna do a 1/3 cup of powdered sugar and then 1/2 cup of margarine. We're actually gonna be using vegan butter because we're making these for Cody's sister and she's a vegan. So, just so you guys know, this can be a recipe for you guys if you guys are also vegan. So, a 1/3 cup of powdered sugar. That's what they want to hear. I cheated on my ex, but you're different. So, like, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that to you. Yeah, sure, baby. Huh? What?
I feel like they're stupid though, and they actually want to hear that. Like, she probably believes him.
Oh, yeah, for
We're
sure.
probably gonna see the next scene. She's like, oh my god, he said you would never do that to me.
And so then this is a 1/2 cup of margarine. We got the Earth Balance vegan butter. So I'm gonna go ahead and just find 1/2 cup, which is the entire thing. So it says that you're literally just going to use this in chunks and blend it with the flour powdered sugar mixture. But I guess we'll see. You're just gonna start blending it in with the powdered sugar flour mixture. Okay, so here's what the dough is looking like for these shortbread cookies. I'm hoping it's going to be bomb, but we will see. So I toasted the pecans, the caramel, not caramel, I guess it is kind of like a caramel sauce that we made is just sitting here on low. They have to sit for 30 minutes while the dough is in the freezer. So now we are actually working on homemade brownies. Kind of excited, never made homemade brownies. We are, my hair, you didn't tell me my hair was like that this whole time.
You look good.
Okay, well, whatever. My hair's messed up. But yeah, so here's our little bit of a mess here. But it's all good. Tomorrow we're going to end up making the chocolate peppermint ones. So today we're just going to finish up with the brownies and I'll show you guys the pecan shortbread when we get there. So I just wanted to show you guys what these little pecan shortbreads look like. Actually, the pecan is really good. We tried it. It was delicious, but these have to sit for like 2 to 4 hours. And then over here we have brownies going. Some of them are getting really big. Oh, we should have done them like half. They're rising.
Really?
It's all good. So we have brownies going in there. Some of them have chocolate chips, some of them don't. My mom made these cookie dough balls, no bake balls. They look like this. Delicious. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what these are looking like right now. Cody and I just took out the brownies. We ended up making some brownies because I wanted brownies, and so we have some homemade ones here. I've literally never made brownies from scratch, so we made these little brownie bites. They're so yummy. These ones have chocolate chips and these ones are just plain. And then these are the shortbread with the pecan. So bomb. tomorrow will be the gingerbread cupcakes, the vegan gingerbread chocolate peppermint thingies, and my mom and I have to make some other things like not shortbreads. I forget what it is. Truffles. Oh, also I just want to show you guys this really cute. Look how cute this little cookie container is. It's from the Pioneer Woman, but it's so cute. It says Merry Christmas. It's a really cute container. So we're gonna put those Cody Sisters things in that. And I will say that this pecan stuff that I made is fire. It's like so good. This is going to be the end of, look at my hair still. This is going to be the end of day 20, so I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are again enjoying my Vlogmas. Yeah, I will see you guys